Hello everyone, I am the admin of Jesus Helper YouTube account. That's the rules of thumb for writing research articles written by Tomislav Hangel and Micheli Gold. You can get idea, try to pick a catchy title. Abstract should be short but give the overall idea. What was done, what was found, and what are the main conclusions. When selecting KWs, imagine you are searching for your article in some database. Move 1. Introduce the topic and emphasize why is it important. So you can check idea. Rules of thumb for writing research articles for master and PhD scholars. That's move 1, and move 2 is about relate to the current knowledge. That paragraph is about you can write about relate to the current knowledge. You can check sentences structure, references inside and outside, the bibliography references I will show you, and footnotes. At the end you can check yin. You are for free to distribute the document to or use in class. So that's somewhat the author cited here, and that's page 1. For all page 1 you can check. Here you can see what's being done and what needs to be done. That's the first paragraph of second page. Bring the gap. You can write research gap. What's your contribution in the research? You can mention right here. Then the last paragraph of the introduction is move 3. Introduce your work, give the purpose and main objective. In most of research article there literature review is missing, but you can check the journal requirements, so you check the journal requirements, so you can what I can say write from abstract to references as like that, and also words count is also necessary, that you can what I can say each and everything are aligned with the journal requirements, so you can read the published articles of the your selected journal, either Scopus, like there are many journals online, medical fields journals, engineering journals, social sciences journals. So then methodology comes. There is no literature, but you can mention some papers here. But don't forget that the literature must be the latest one. In methodology part, describe experimental setup, and that is the object of the study, establish and otherwise what you want to do, explain use techniques like descriptive analysis, like correlation analysis, regression analysis, reliability analysis, graphical analysis, and there are a lot of techniques, a lot of tests. You can test your hypothesis. So you can mention each and everything here. Your research is qualitative or quantitative, descriptive or correlational. The study is observational, so longitudinal study, so you can mention each and everything, unit of analysis, time horizon, research strategy, research onion. You can mention each and everything of your research here. Your research is mixed research, either qualitative, quantitative, or mixed research, so you can mention here. You don't what I can say eliminate of the main points of the research here. You can mention each and everything here because the reader is interested in this chapter. And then after completion of or I can say the methodology, that research article is like a cookbook. Be specific and provide all necessary details, so then results comes. So you can follow what I can say the results of the your selected journal, especially tables format like APA format tables or closed tables, So this is the APA format table. You can check the upper two lines for the titles, and the below line is just, so that's the APA table format. And some journals required closed tables. That the site there is no vertical lines. That's open table. That table will be closed. And there is no line for between aspects, and you can see reason for rejection. There is no line between because this is a what I can say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 2 columns table, so that's just open table. That's APA format table. The table one is about what I can say, the table one most important reason for rejection of research article. So these are the reason you must aware about it when selecting your topic. That must be catchy, and if your topic is not catchy, attractive one, irrelevant topic, or topic of the local interest only, so that your research article will be rejected online, by editor. Newness, if there is no newness, paper offers nothing new, so your article will be rejected. Focus, topic, objectives, and conclusion are not connected, then you will get rejection. Methodological steps, styles, and data quality, if they are what you can say unclear, weak, and you know flawed designs, insignificant simple sample number, preliminary findings, and there and your research article, there's no triangulation, no not consistencies with the old work of cited authors, so your article got rejection. So you must aware about the structure of the what you can say article, why researchers get rejection of their submitted article, so about it. Here you can see the research article sections with main functions, preferred style, and related rules of thumb. You can check rule titles, and that's what you can say, main function, preferred style, rules of thumb, abstract, and you must follow your journal requirements. Prior to start of research article, you can download article of your selected journal, uh, either medicine, engineering, social sciences, and then you can start working on it, and you can change what I can say, your gape, your sample size, your methodology, especially if you are selecting linear regression and your results insignificant, so you go for logistic regression, quantile regression, multiple linear regression model. You can add some variables, some control variables to change results a little bit, to add more variables to get r squared high. So that's the what you can say structure of research article. Here comes what you can say, the flow diagram, research article sections and subsection, and their relation. Here you can see there is no literature review, but you can add based on your journal requirements. Some journals, what you can say, mention, you are allowed to write a literature review, and some journal are not allowed to write a research article, sorry, literature review in a research article. So you must aware about each and every thing when you are writing a research article, especially references style. Medical field references are different from social sciences, and social sciences are different from engineering. So you aware about it when you are citing in paragraph citation or in bibliography in references. So you must aware about it. So that's the overall flow diagram of a research article: title, author's names, then abstract, keywords, uh, you know, abbreviations, acknowledgements, references, appendix. So these are the what I can say this flow structure of a research article main sections. So that's the comparison between introduction and discussion. That's the conclusion and discussion part comes. So that's selected rules, golden rules for easier publishing. Take a reader's view, tell a story, be yourself, make it simple, make it concrete, make it short, take responsibility, make strong statements, Be self-critical. So these are the golden rules, and you can check this APA table. That's the golden rules, and table 3 are in APA table. You can also get idea how you can write your content APA table. Every journal have different requirements, so you must follow each and everything, and your research article will be error free, so your article will be easily approved. And if you are still stuck in research article, research papers, thesis, dissertation, um, PPT slides, so contact us. Our team will help you on reasonable fees, and uh, and meeting your deadline. So that's the what I can say. Unexpected findings comes, and here that's the end part. Establish newness, and then you can see a good article is the one that is read and cited. If there is no citation, so no one can read your article. That will article will be rejected, and not get interest by the editor. Editor will give you what you can say. Send you a comment sheet, so you can rectify it, and then another review will come, so it will waste your time. So you must aware about it prior to start of work. Establish newness, explain discrepancies, further research and implication, direction for future research, and there's acknowledgement, and the references comes. So you must aware about the references. The journal, and this journal is what I can say, rules of thumb for the writing research article. There's the references comes, and here the appendix. You can check, put it all together, writing a research article in 40 steps. Make draft, revise and polish. Make draft, step 1 to step 22 are the make draft steps. Step 23 to step 32 are the revise steps. And polish, step 33 to step 40 are the polish steps. Make draft. Make a working or catchy title. Step 1. Step 2 is introduce the topic and define terminology. Step 3. Emphasize why is the topic important. Step 4. Relate to current knowledge, what's been done. Step 5. Indicate the gap, what needs to be done. Step 6. Pose research questions. Step 7. Give purpose and objectives. Step 8. List methodological steps. Step 9. Explain theory behind the methodology used. Step 10. Describe experimental setup. Step 11. Describe object of the study, technical details. Step 12, give summary results. Step 13, compare different results. Step 14, focus on discoveries. Step 15, answer research question, conclusions. Step 16, support and define answers. Step 17, explain conflicting results, unexpected findings, and discrepancies with other research. Step 18, state limitation of the study. Step 19, state importance of findings. Step 20, establish newness. Step 21, announce further research. Step 22, abstract what was done, what was found, and what are the main conclusions. Step 23, that start revise till step 32. Is the title clear and does it reflect the content and main findings? Step 24, and familiar. Are key terms clear and familiar? Step 25, are the objectives clear and relevant to the audience? Step 26, are the all variables, techniques, and materials listed, explained, and linked to existing knowledge? Are the results reproducible? Step 27, are all results and comparisons relevant to the posed questions or objectives? Step 28, do some statements and findings repeated in the text, tables, or figures. Step 29, do the main conclusion reflect the posed questions? Step 30, will the main findings be unacceptable by the scientific community? Step 31, Is the text coherent, clear, and focused on the specific problem or topic? Step 32. Is the abstract readable standalone? Does it reflect the main story? Now, last, 7 steps left. Step 32 through step 40. So, the first step is in the polish are proper tenses and voices used, active and passive. Step 34 are all equations mathematically correct and explained in the text. Step 35 are all abbreviation explained. Step 36, we consider avoid using of word very, better, may, appears, more, convinced, impression in the text. So you can avoid these words. Step 37 are all abbreviation measurement units, variables, and techniques internationally recognized. IS, which is International System of Measurement Units. You must aware about it. Step 38 are all figures are table relevant and of good quality. Second last step is step 39 are all figures, table, and equation listed and mentioned in the text. The last step, which is step 40, are all references relevant and up to date and accessible as per your journal requirements. So you must aware about all these steps one by one, and this the what I can say rules of thumb for writing research articles. And you are struck in writing research articles, research papers, um, thesis, dissertation, proposals. So you can contact us. Our team will help you on reasonable fees and meeting your deadline. Um, so you can email us on dissertationhelper for you at gmail.com. So our team will help you on paid basis, and you are stuck in what you can say and you have job problems or other burdens, so you can contact us. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. This is Helper. Thank you.